I will suck your penis if you don't shut up.
Yo, shut up.
Dude, shut up. I'm not talking to you. This is between me and him. I'm threatening I'll suck his dick if you don't shut up.
Dude, you're scared clubbing you.
I'll let you put your penis in my anus if you don't shut up too. Bah!
Oh, dear.
It bounced. No, I'm a man. Bah, digga, bah! No, what I need is a dick in my anus.
That sure is not gonna be me.
Well, pound. I gotta go take a shit. I'll be back.
Lol. What the fuck is this? What'd you do? This isn't funny. What'd you do? Dude, I was right in the middle of a game. What'd you do? Gay. You kidding me? Did I get the red ring of death? I hate you. Turn off the camera. This isn't funny.
I didn't do anything though.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm about to fillet your fucking dick if you don't tell me what you did.
Nothing.
Are you gonna fix it?
I guess I could try.
If it doesn't work, I'm gonna take this knife and cut the skin off your penis.
Alright. I know exactly what to do here.
Better fix it.
Alright. One last ingredient. That should work.
Alright, let's see if it works then.
Alright.
We'll go inside.
Pick up the pieces. Oh shit.
Very nice, very nice. Oh, that ought to work now. Yeah, this should work. I have no doubt.
Me too. Well, I think we'll plug this shit back in now, you know? See if this baby fires up first try.
I'm not having any doubts. No.
No, it should work.
Should be mechanic.
I need my faceplate here. There we are. Turn on the Xbox.
Alright, turn it on.
Alright.
Good time, good time.
Turn it on. Let's see what happens. I don't fucking
Oh, wait.
What the fuck's happening?
Oh.
It sounds like one of them race cars. Piece of shit.
Well,
What the hell does that mean?
looks like we got the 2 ring of death now. Instead of the 1.
I don't understand what's happening.
Either do I, but I know I'm gonna cut somebody's penis off.
No, I don't think so.
Well,
How the fuck do you open this?
I'm